हियर एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं शू रिव्यू के बारे में एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी रिव्यूइंग Adidas Ultra Boost 20 shoes. I've run about 270-280 kilometers in these shoes and I think it's a good time to review these shoes. I'm very excited because this is the first video जो मैं बना रही हूँ शू रिव्यू के बारे में. I hope you like this video. Also guys, these are the costliest shoes till date जो मैंने खरीदे हैं. And I'm gonna tell you कि मुझे ये किस प्राइस में मिले towards the end of the video. So if you want to know कि मुझे कितने में मिले, किस प्राइस पे ये शूज पड़े, please watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Also guys, a disclaimer, the shoes are dirty because I was running in the mud rain yesterday. So please excuse me for that. These are white shoes, so I couldn't do anything about it. So I have to make this video with the dirty shoes. Apologies for the same. Now coming to the very first part, that is cushioning. Now when it comes to cushioning, technically I don't know what is the material used in this particular heel part as such, but I can say this is the best ever cushioning that I have seen in any running shoes so whatsoever. Yeah, so the cushioning is really good. Technically मुझे नहीं पता क्या डला है बीच में, but I would say जब हम रन करते हैं it feels like as if you are running on a carpet. या फिर अगर आपने कभी ट्रैक देखा होगा इंटरनेशनल लेवल का जो पिंक कलर का ट्रैक होता है, तो when you run on that track you feel kind of a bounce on your feet as such. So when you are running in this Adidas Ultra Boost 20, you kind of get that bounce feeling so that your feet are really cushioned as it is. आपका sole कभी भी pain करने नहीं लगता. So the cushioning of this shoes is really awesome. So I have to rate it out of 10. Then I'll rate it definitely 10 out of 10 for the cushioning part. Now coming to the second part, that is toe section. So this toe section is kind of a mesh area, as you can see. So this is a mesh area, so definitely the airflow is really good as such. So a lot of ventilation happens, so your toes kind of get good airflow. Another thing is, generally मैंने जो देखा है जो mesh structure के shoes होते हैं, उसमें your toe tend to bulge out. Now in order कि वो bulging out ना हो inside से, इस तरफ या इस तरफ से, so what they have provided is, they have provided a cage like structure, if you can see it. So almost सिलाई types है, तो ये चीज की गई है स्पेशली ताकि आपके टो को जहाँ पे कुशनिंग और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिले वहां पे एक स्ट्रक्चर भी मिले एंड दे शुड नॉट बल्ज आउट फ्रॉम द शूज. So that is very important guys. I would say this part is something जो मेरा हमेशा pain point रहता है because I get bruises in my toes or I get black toenails very easily when I go for longer runs. But this shoes definitely help to prevent all of those things. So very flexible as such, well ventilated, और यहाँ पे it does provide you structure because of this cage type thing as well. So very nice on that front. Now coming to the mid part, इस part पे if you see this is the continuous thing going on from here to here as such. तो कोई भी अलग पार्ट नहीं है, तो डेफिनेटली कोई भी I would say कुछ भी bruises types नहीं होता. So this is kind of a new thing for me, but then I am really liking it. So this is also great as such. Now coming to another good point is, guys, if you see, this is a slip-on shoes as such. This is all connected. So I never really like slip-on shoes because जब पहनना पड़ता है तो काफी दिक्कत होती है because of course this part is generally smaller in slip-on shoes. So इस चीज को overcome करने के लिए if you look here, this part, okay, ये एक छोटा सा सिलाई प्रोवाइड किया है और इससे क्या होता है, you look here, so when you bend it, आप देखिए कि ये बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेच हो जाता है. So this allows कि आपका शूज इसमें बहुत इजीली फिट इन हो जाए और पहनते हुए कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना आए. So I really like this detailing that has been provided at the back. So that's about this clip-on thing. Now coming to the highlighter, of course, when it comes to night run, they become really, really important as such. So they've provided good highlighters. So these do highlight during your night runs as such, and during the foggy weather also. It plays important role. This also highlights. So that's another good part as such. Now coming to the weight of the shoes, guys, I don't know the exact weight of these shoes, but they're definitely very light in weight. मतलब पहनने के बाद कुछ ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि आपने कुछ बहुत heavy shoes पहना है. Very very light in weight. So weight front पे you don't need to worry at all. Now, these are all the pros that I have for these shoes. Now, you must be thinking that there has to be one negative point. I can find only and only one negative point, which is कि इसके laces खुल जाते हैं. So I would say out of 3 days, if I go for a run, then एक दिन definitely laces खुल जाते हैं, which I never had problem in any of the previous shoes as such. So maybe double knot may work better. So that is the only con that I felt from this shoes, and I'm really really happy and satisfied with these shoes as such. I would definitely recommend anyone who is looking to buy this shoe, especially for your long runs. Now coming to a very very important part, which is the cost. Now these are very costly shoes, इसीलिए मुझे बहुत टाइम लग गया इसको सोच के खरीदने में. So the MRP for these shoes in the market is 18,999, which is 19,000 rupees. Now, having said that, of course, it's very costly. But when I bought it in November 2020, तो Adidas पे कुछ 30% का discount था. So I basically got it for 13,299. That is 13,300 rupees. और ये जो डिस्काउंट था वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ व्हाइट शूज पे था, इसीलिए आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने व्हाइट शूज खरीदे हैं. If possible, buy any other color than white shoes, but I had to buy it because discount सिर्फ white shoes पे था. So having said that, still 13,300 is a big amount for me. Or this is the costliest shoes that I've ever bought in my life, but I'm totally happy with it. I've run 270, 280 kilometers in it, and I can't tell you how comfortable it felt. From the toes part, from the I would say cushioning part, back part, support to the ankles as such, everything. I'm loving these shoes. So if you're really thinking of investing in a good pair of shoes, I would definitely recommend you to buy Adidas Ultra Boost 20. So that's about it, guys. अगर आपने already Adidas Ultra Boost 20 खरीदे हैं तो please let me know what do you think about the shoes, या फिर what are your favorite running shoes. Please let me know. अगर आपका कोई भी questions है, query है regarding this particular shoes, please write it in the comment box below, and I'll definitely try to answer if I know about it. So I hope you find this review very useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.